Hello everyone! Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we will learn E for egg. E for egg. Can you say it with me? E for egg. Very good. Now let's color the letter E first. Can you guess which color we should use? Let's try blue color.
Buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Wow, it looks beautiful already. Now, let's color the egg slowly, carefully. Great job. Do you like eggs? I think you do. Eggs are very healthy and tasty.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip.
We are almost done coloring everything. Look at this. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So tell me, what did we learn today? Yes, we learned E for egg. Amazing work today. Next time, we will learn F for fish. Get ready for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.